Here is how you can allow Messenger to access photos on your Android. So let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Okay, so it all happens naturally inside of the settings app, so you can get there, and at the bottom, not entirely, but you can see it right there that we have the apps menu. Part of this, every single app that you have installed on your phone has its own dedicated settings menu or options, right? So you can scroll through all of the available apps. So naturally, the Messenger is going to be right there. So if you're using the Facebook Messenger, you'll be able to find it. But even other apps which you use for messaging, like WhatsApp or whatever else you might have available. But you can get inside the Messenger and tap on the permissions. And in there, you can see what is currently allowed and what isn't. Like in my case, I only have the notifications allowed, but there are much more things below. So this includes camera access, calendar, contacts, location, microphone, and so on. But also we have the photos and videos. So you can tap that and decide if you choose it to be not allowed or only limited access could be the option that you select, or always allow all of them, which is the full access which you can give to the app, right? So of course, the full access is going to save you some time when you're sharing photos, but the limited access is probably better for your privacy. So it is up to you to decide which option you select and which option you decide to go with. But that is all for me. I hope I was able to help you out and explain the general blueprint of how it works. And if you like these straight to the point tutorials, definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos too.